What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another live stream, and happy Sunday morning to you. I've got my coffee ready. We've got a giveaway to do today live on stream. So if you're not yet in the giveaway, head over to Twitter, follow the steps right here on screen, giving another $500 in ETH away. Did it twice last week, and man, it's amazing hearing people's stories once they get that 500. Somebody who I gave 500 all the way in Indonesia is already put that money to work. I got a message the other day saying that it has already turned into 1,200. So I love hearing that. Love the good vibes. I think crypto is getting ready for takeoff. We've got Bitcoin Miami coming up on Wednesday. I will be there from Miami, bringing you live coverage, up-to-date information. We usually get a big announcement when it, comes down to it at some point. Last year it was that El Salvador would be accepting Bitcoin as legal tender. This year, I don't know. We had that Jack Mahler's picture surface, right? That he's wearing the old Apple hat. He is a speaker this year at the event. Could be something in that regard. So, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Let's see what's going on. Chris, what's happening? I remember you mentioning Zagilla a few months ago. Zagilla. Oh, you mean Zilliqa? Zilliqa, Lance? Happy to see you're up, man. Don't let Jake film. Oh, man, leave Jake alone, man. He was having fun out in Vegas, man. I never thought there was anything really, anything bad about that. I mean, who doesn't like to have fun when they go to Las Vegas? I mean, we are normal people, I mean, you guys just see us behind this screen all the time. And, we have a life outside of this, right? I mean, we do other things, but, yeah, I never thought it was a big deal. Morning, Shib Army, 2112 Crypto. What is up? Jorge, I'm here, brother. Street King Freestyle. What's up, Jorge? Precision, what's happening? Let's go. Shibtoro. Nice little bounce back yesterday on Shibtoro, huh? Look at that. Back up 18%. Very nice. Very nice to see. That was their final day of the buyback yesterday. So that was nice. Austin Hilton went ham yesterday. He went in. So he had a 10 ETH buy yesterday. He made it clear in their Telegram too. Made it public in there. I mean, he loved where those levels were. He loaded up the bags yesterday. So first sip. Yes, let's do it together. First sip. Very nice. Lance has been up for hours in the UK. We need a nice pump. Yeah, Marco, we do. Let's see where the overall market is. Guys, we are doing the giveaway. Make sure you head over to Twitter. Make sure you do not miss this opportunity. All right. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Follow me here on Twitter. Like and retweet this tweet. I will make sure you're doing all three once before I send you the 500 when you win. Right. But let's take a look at the overall crypto market. In the last hour, Bitcoin coming back a little bit. It's still up over 46K. A lot of people calling for 50K Bitcoin. A lot of people calling for 50K Bitcoin. So let's see here. If you look at Carl, he's very well known in the space. The Moon Carl says 50,000 next week. Let's see if he has any videos on it. Oh, that's his Telegram group. He doesn't even have his YouTube channel on here. Huh? How about that? Okay. But he's calling 50K. Something big is coming up for Costa. He's heading up that project too. Costa. It's a good project too. If you guys haven't heard about that one. So good morning, everybody. Make sure you smash that like button on your way inside. Bitcoin 50K. Let's see what people are saying. I've heard a lot of chatter about this. Bitcoin could be heading towards 50K next week. Here's Cointelegraph, and the bulls are enjoying life. So, yeah, here's Cointelegraph, very reputable source. Bitcoin regains yearly open as trader says 50K next week might be likely. So it consolidated above the 2022 yearly open on April 2nd after a return from a return to form. Briefly saw bulls reclaim 47K. It was so big for us to, finish. Was it last week or the week prior? I think it might have been the week prior, actually. It was so big for us to finish over 46K. Oh, man, that's good. Dunkin' Donuts never disappoints. Not financial advice. So says data from TradingView and Cointelegraph Markets Pro showed BTC circling 46.6 on Saturday. The pair has dipped to lows around 44.3 Friday. Nonetheless, short-lived. We saw that quick reversal. We could see it right here, too. Everybody was kind of freaking out there for 24 hours, and then we were like, oh, never mind. We're good. You could see it right here on the chart. I mean, here was the freak out. Oh, my gosh. What is going on? And then just wait a day. Okay, we're okay. We're right back up. So that was good to see. So good morning, everybody. Up early on a Sunday morning. I know it's hard for people out west to see these live streams, but I like to get my day started early. So, okay, the pre-sale. So Tony was talking about a pre-sale. What do we got? So the pre-sale starts in 1 day, 2 hours for BTFA. Just sad I didn't push buy button on Wagmi. Yeah, we're going to talk about Wagmi. That is going to be one of the lead stories today for sure. Wagmi is up 30%, everybody. And look at this freaking chart. We saw the consolidation happening. We were talking about it for just all last week, right? And then, boom, another big green candlestick. I mean, look at this chart when you zoom out here. Look at this thing. That is a good-looking chart. So I've got a couple things I want to mention on Wagmi as well. Let's see here. Let me knock that out of there. Thank you, Tony, for that information. Yeah, I think so, Vito. 50K because of the upcoming Miami event. Well, I mean, I think there's a lot of reasons. From a technical standpoint, things look good. We also have a big catalyst in the Bitcoin Miami event for sure. I think both of those are factors in why we could hit 50K. But a couple things to report on Wagmi. So they are doing some private meetings right now with various DAO projects. So they're doing those privately. The team is behind closed doors to see if they can partner up with some big DAOs. They have a big announcement coming up this week. Okay. We've not got a ton of insider information on what that big announcement is, but we also know, and I believe this is in addition to a big announcement, they are dropping some gameplay this week as well. So that should be sick. Really looking forward to that. So really looking forward to, seeing that gameplay. Let's see. Oh, and then another piece of information, that I think, the team wanted me to reiterate, at least this is coming from them, right, is that, they've built such a solid foundation here and they have such a good looking chart. They do say, some people would say like, oh, when NFT projects actually come out, they drop. It's like a buy the rumor, sell the news event. Well, the minting is live for the Genesis NFTs and we have not seen a big drop. Okay. So the mint is live, NFT, Wagmi, nft.wagmigame.io. Here it is. Over 1,600 sold. Okay. You can mint up to 3. They are 0.125 ETH plus gas. Pretty sick, guys. Pretty sick. I might have to get a couple more. I do have one already, but I might have to get a couple more. What do you guys think? Should I get another one? Anybody have a Wagmi NFT? And these are not just going to be NFTs that are stagnant either. These are going to be able to be utilized in the game, right? Angel says, awesome project. I agree. This project is a really strong project. I have not heard of that, Lumen. Not heard of that. Ken, thank you so much for the $3 super sticker donation. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you very much. Shib to the moon, always, always. My son Axel says good morning. Good morning, Axel. And good morning to you, Chris. Anyone else waiting for Shib to drop a 0? I'm prepping to party when it happens. Who drank my Kool-Aid? Love it. Yeah, man, there's nothing like Shiba Inu live streams. When Shiba Inu is going parabolic, there's nothing like it. There's absolutely nothing like it, right? So, excuse me. So here's one more thing on Bitcoin. I know we're bouncing back and forth a little bit, but, Bitcoin drives everything, right? Bitcoin is the market driver. So things we're watching right here, it says if we visit that 45K range again, I think it's a sign of weakness and we'll probably go back to that 40K area, which we obviously don't want to happen. If we don't, then 50K next week might be likely. Again, The Bitcoin Miami conference right around the corner. That's why a lot of people calling for 50K Bitcoin, in addition to the technicals. If Bitcoin doesn't hit 50K in one day, I'll give 3,000 to one of my followers. Ash WSB says, is that Wall Street Bets? Nice. Just retweet and be following me. There you go. There's an opportunity to get 3K. But I hope it doesn't, hope nobody gets this 3K because I want to see Bitcoin at 50K. But there's an opportunity to win money on this channel too. So giving away another 500 ETH, guys. Make sure that you're locked into these giveaways. We're going to be doing a lot of these on the channel. So they're going to be done during live streams. Okay. So make sure you're subscribed here on this channel. Follow me over on Twitter. Like and retweet this tweet. Have a chance to win. We're going to do it on stream. We're going to do it toward the end of this live stream. We're going to do the giveaway live on the air. Let's see. Got so many tabs open over here on my second screen. I got one of these LG monitors. Man, these things are sick. Absolutely love it. Big Fiji, thank you so much for the $50 donation, man. Check out Banana Task Force Ape, Zach. They just announced their first centralized exchange listing. They haven't even launched yet. Yeah, I know a lot of people have been talking about them, and I will definitely give them a look here. Thank you so much for the $50 donation, Big Fiji. Appreciate you. Banana Task Force Ape. See if we can find him here. There we go. Let's follow him back. Banana Task Force Ape. A lot of people have been talking about him. Wow, officially listed on Hotbit right out of the gates, huh? So BTFA coming to Hotbit. All right, so what I want to know is, when does this thing launch? Let's take a look here. Let's take a look at their website here. Let's see. Let's see here. It's a collection of 10,000 Task Force Apes, over 200 unique traits. NFTs will be purchased weekly at market price by our governance contract, then burned. That's interesting. Royalties from every transaction on OpenSea will support our floor. Holders will have commercial ownership and digital rights of their NFTs acquired. Here's some of the tokenomics here. 2% goes back to the liquidity pool. Earn up to 80% APY by staking BTFA tokens in our vaults. 8% of every transaction goes back to the marketing wallet for development, media expansion, and centralized exchange listings. Some of that money already being spent on a centralized exchange listing. Paulo's having a good run. It is. It's launching in a day. Okay. Wanting to get in on Banana. Yeah, I think I might be trying to jump in here too. I want to see, do they have a time that it's going to be? Maybe it's over here on their Twitter. Let's see. Still waking up a little bit, guys. Getting that coffee in. Let's see here. Jazz did a video for him. Nice. Two centralized exchanges in April, now confirmed for BTFA. Incoming news and announcements coming soon. Guys, I always want to say, and here's Roddy doing a review for him. I always want to tell you guys this. You know, when you get in on these launches, these pre-sales, there's a lot of money to be had, but that money's not yours until you take profits. So like CVC, great project. I've already got my initial out and about 20% profits. I'm good now. Now let's see where the project goes. We got all these centralized exchanges coming. That's how I play it most of the time, guys, especially with these new launches. I put it in my head whether it's a 2x or 3x, when it hits this point, I'm going to take my initial out plus 20% profits on top, sometimes 10%, if I really think the project still has a lot of room to go in a short amount of time. But almost always, I'm taking my initial and 20% off the top. My initial and 20% off the top. Okay. Okay, so tomorrow, 4 p.m., it launches. Is that what I'm hearing? Why don't they have this like posted right up here? They should have this posted right up. Let's see. Certic audit, assure KYC. Pre-sale on pink sale soon. Utilities ready at launch. NFTs soon, and couple partners as well. So can somebody give me a time that it launches? Hey, Zach, have you checked out Asuna tokens? New NFT additions. They are fire. Their play to earn game is so good. Asuna token has so much potential. I've heard a lot about this one. I have not looked at Asuna too much, though. Asuna token. Let's see here. Let's follow them back, too. Let's see. Community-led platform. So what are they trying to do here? What do they got? Thank you so much for the donation, Mohammed. Appreciate that. Asuna, resurrected from abyss, community-led platform to empower people. And he goes, okay. So let's go roadmap here. Community creation. All right, let's see. What are they trying to do here? Let's see. Let's see their white paper. Okay. Thank you, Mohammed. I'm going to drop that down so we could see this fully. All right. Community. All right. What are we actually trying to do here? We're just trying to, okay. Only 3% of the world's population take crypto seriously enough to invest. Yeah, about 4%. This means that you're still an early investor, no doubt. Redistribution mechanism is an incentive meant to encourage investors to hold. By simply buying and holding, you will accumulate residual earnings from everyday buy and sell transactions made. 2% redistribution on every transaction or reflections. 4% to marketing. All right, what are they going to do here? Phase 1 is just kind of getting off the ground, it looks like. Okay, logo rebranding in phase 2. Let's see. Trending on Dex tools. Got it. Mini play to earn game and NFTs. Okay, so it's a mini play to earn NFTs. So we got a play to earn NFTs. What else do we got? I mean, that's enough right there. And then new play to earn game in phase 5, and then a full NFT marketplace. Okay, so NFTs and a play to earn. Our play to earn game is being finalized. It will soon be available on our website. This is nice. Liquidity locked at launch for 5 years. Ownership renounced, which creates a safe environment for everybody. Okay. So there you go. Asuna. If you guys haven't heard of this one, there's another one to take a look at. Why not mint a Metagachi NFT? Also check out the race to 10K holders giveaway they're having. Thank you, Donkey Dixon. Hilarious name too. But yeah, Metagachi has NFTs too. Apollo is having a nice run, nice bounce back. It's up 12%. Let's take a look at Apollo real quick. Muhammad, I got you, man. I got you. Good morning, Zach. Your thoughts about Stephen Cooper and his Shiba Inu exit? So yeah, we could talk about that. I don't know the whole story. Every interaction that I've had with Stephen has been very positive. People in the community have been giving him a lot of hell. I don't know if it's warranted or not. I mean, everything that I could tell, Stephen was doing things the right way. Okay. Maybe he just, I know this in talking to Stephen, he didn't like all the confrontation and the people attacking him. And, we as influencers or YouTubers or content creators, we have to deal with that kind of shit all the time. So, we're maybe a little bit more equipped to just shrug it off. Whereas Stephen, I don't think he ever asked for all that. And he was getting a lot of backlash. It was just unfair. People are ridiculous. I mean, let's just face it, especially on Twitter. I mean, it could be a toxic place, but I wish Stephen the best. And, I think he's a very smart businessman, very savvy. I think he was helping the Shiba Inu community out, really. But yes, Apollo guys doing some big things. They've got some big news coming too. So let me head over to their Twitter page real quick. Guys, most of you know how I feel about Apollo now, I think, right? It's crypto funding for creators. Their DAO's got over 4 million in it. This is going to be really, really awesome to watch these creators, whether they're musicians or artists or painters, get funded. I can't wait for Apollo Inu token to change lives. And this is going to be built-in marketing. People are going to market this because their friends got funded, or maybe they're trying to get funded. It's going to be a very organic growth period. Watch, when this DAO comes out, mark my words, we're going to see huge organic growth, and people are going to be talking about this in all the creative sphere, right? People are going to catch wind of this and what they're doing. So we just posted the Discord AMA we did for Apollo Inu a couple of weeks ago on our YouTube channel. Some great Q&A there about Origin, utility launch, and the future. So there you go. They're very, very transparent, guys. 100% of the time, they're letting you know what's going on. They've got the Trello board up here. It's an awesome way for investors to be locked into what they're investing in. They know exactly what's going on and what's happening. Of course, we can't load the website for some reason right now, but it's under roadmap on their website if you want more information on that. But it says here they've got UX, UI enhancements, launch marketing strategies are being developed right now. New explainer and meet the team videos dropping soon. This came out just a few days ago, and another big idea in the works. Matt Johnson, the head guy over there at Apollo, very, very active in the Telegram. So hop in there. You want to know what you're investing in. I mentioned over 4 million already raised. There it is. This was an event that they were out in Texas at. But very, very bullish on this project, guys. It's one of my favorite projects in 2022. These three here down at the bottom are the three that I'm most into right now. It's Apollo, it's Wagmi, and it's Shibtoro. These three right now, for me, are my three big horses in the community coin space. Okay? And really, they're a little bit different. I mean, Wagmi's not necessarily a community coin. It's gaming. Apollo's not necessarily community, but you guys know what I mean, right? These smaller cap plays that, a lot of the non-degens that invest in crypto don't know about, right? So let's see. Thank you all so much for tuning in here this morning, too. Really appreciate you coming and hanging out with me here on a Sunday. We are going to do a big giveaway at the end of the stream. Make sure you guys are locked into that. Here is the tweet. Make sure you got to do what you need to do with this. You'll see it right here. Okay. Giving away another 500 in ETH at the end of the show. Let's see. If you own a Kishimoto NFT, you're in the running for a 200K giveaway. Nice. That's cool, Money Magnet. Hope you win, brother. Hotbit listing April 8th. McGuire says. Let's see. Morning, Samuel. What are your thoughts on Bigger Entertainment and their SHIB exit? Yeah, we just talked about it a little bit. I mean, here, man, I think, they're trying to branch out. They're obviously a company, so they're looking at other opportunities, right? I think what they've done already for the Shiba Inu community has been huge. I don't think all of the crazy shit thrown at Steven has been warranted. Every conversation that I've had with him has been nothing but positive. All right. So do I think millionaires will be made with Apollo Inu with $100 like there was in SHIB? Kevin, I mean, obviously the biggest returns are when you get in like day one into a project, right? But I do think there is a lot more room for Apollo to go. So if we look at Apollo right now, we are sitting at an $86 million market cap, right? So actually, let me cross-reference that because sometimes they double this. So is it 172? Let's see what CoinGecko has on them. I think it's an $86 million market cap right now, or 81. Let's see. What's the market cap? They don't give it here. Basically saying refers. Okay, let me see if Coin market cap gives it. Fully diluted is 170 mil. Okay. So the fully diluted market cap, if the max supply was in circulation, $170 million market cap right now. I think this can get to a $1 billion market cap. I truly do. I think Apollo can get to a $1 billion market cap. Look at the 1 day there. That's nice. Let's look at the 3-month. There's your 3-month chart on Apollo. Just very, very steady. Obviously had the big explosion back here in February after the dip down. So I mean, you're looking at this, it's still kind of on a dip. I mean, you're not at these peaks, right? So, Zach, say hello to Jinja Snaps. LOL, please. What's up, Jinja Snaps? What's going on? Where's Jinja Snaps? Okay, so that pre-sale is coming up on 4 p.m. UTC, 12 p.m. Eastern. That's tomorrow. That's tomorrow. Let's see. For Banana Task Force, right? I don't know how to spell banana. Okay, so looks like tomorrow, 4 p.m. UTC, 12 p.m. Eastern. Is that right? Is that what we're talking about there? Sorry, I'm a little behind in chat. What's going on, guys? Give some love to that like button. Yes, Cornish. Thoughts on Cult DAO token? Wow, it exploded. Congratulations, anybody who got into that. I did not. You can't get into all of them. Let's see. Oh, thank you so much. Smart ass. Oh, I've heard about this. Smart ass. Good morning, Zach. We launched a project aimed at bringing financial aid to students, teachers, and schools. Oh, that's cool. That's right up my alley. Stealth launched on the 27th of March. We would love for you to check it out. And it's called Ass Token. Nice. It's hilarious. Let's see. Never thought I'd be going to Dex Tools and typing in ass. See. Oh, that's hilarious. Wet ass personal finance. What? That's an actual token? Oh my gosh. Let's see here. Let's see if we find it this way. There it is. Thank you so much for the donation, smartass. Okay, reversing a little bit, but there's the launch on the 27th. Wow, only a $283,000 market cap. 32 holders. Is that right? Let's see if it takes. Yeah, there it is. Education is a human right. Okay. Wow, not a lot of holders at all. 32 holders, that's it? Was there another one? Hold on. Was there 2 contracts here? Smartass token. No, that's got to be it, right? FDCB. Let's make sure that that's the right. Yeah, FDCB. That is the right contract. Okay. Wow, only 32 holders? Man, interesting. Okay. Certainly has room to go. Poca said, damn it, late again. Wagmi is going to be huge. Yeah, it is going to be huge. Let's go back over to Wagmi here. Yeah, this has been a great one. We've been talking about it for a couple weeks. Shout out to Scott Herman for putting me on this one. Really, I mean, he was on this one early. I got in somewhere down in here on Wagmi, down in the 3s or 4s before this recent pop in late March here. So I'm pumped with that. And I loaded up a little bit more actually on this pump into the 5s, right as we were starting to consolidate. Look at all three of my big heavy hitters that I'm watching really closely are all in the green today. Apollo's up 12%, Wagmi's up 32%, Shibtoro's up 13%. Where's Shib at today? Shib's dialing back to the 2.6 level here. Terrarium's still way down. Bobatama just got drilled, huh? Bobatama just got wrecked. So Boba, man, it's not looking pretty. Not looking pretty at all. And it's unfortunate because I think what they have coming out is really going to be cool as long as they do what they say they're going to do. But yeah, they've just been wrecked. Thoughts on Pixel? Yeah, T. Hobbs was telling me a lot about it. Very interesting project. I am definitely intrigued, that guy. Definitely intrigued. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash it. Yeah, guys, here's another thing we've got coming up. So let me see something real quick. Public. So in the description, you'll find the Patreon, but let me show you something. Over in our Discord, we're doing at 10:30. So I'll have to get off here and then jump right over there at 10:30. But we are doing Discord chats. So over in our Discord, we've got a bunch of different channels here, AMA stages. We've also got a classroom chat where we all hang out and just talk crypto and talk about making money and, doing the thing. So definitely want to come over and join us if you're interested in that. We've got new people bouncing in every day. Welcome in Jay Seeks Life yesterday coming in at 9:26. What's up? We've got new people popping into our Discord all the time. So yeah, we've got that coming up at 10:30. So if you want in on that, you can still get into the Patreon, get into the Discord. It's all one and the same once you get in. So link down below in the description on that front. Week in Ethereum news. So what do we got going on with Ethereum right now? Let's see. But this is a really cool thing, guys. If you're a big Ethereum bull, week in Ethereum at substack.com. It's really nice. They consolidate all the important information and they give it to you in a nice readable format here. So they got the mainnet execution layer, proof of stake consensus layer, proof of work switch off, the merge. Talking about the merge, guys. EIPs, NFTs. Talking about layer 2s a little bit. So it's nice just to, stay up to date with what they got cooking. If you're into Ethereum like I am, it's a cool place. Cool place to get your news on ETH in a nice digestible format. How about Zilliqa, guys? Zilliqa's been flying high, huh? Ape's getting down here into a nice little zone where I might be looking to accumulate here too on the Ape coin. So kind of at that lower consolidation level here, right? Watching this closely here. I've already got a position, opened up below 7, but I think I am going to Cornish. I haven't made up my mind just yet, but I'm pretty sure I am. Not your father's crypto. Feel like ass. Ass token. Yeah. How about this? Smart ass. Be smart. Invest in ass. Nice. That's the correct one. Nice. It's time to grab some ass. Ass is on LBank. Is it on? It's not listed on a centralized exchange yet. There you go. Uniswap for now. My boba makes me cry. I know. I had a lot of good feelings about boba boca. Boba boca. That is probably not a good thing to promote a deep stank talking point that Salvatore, what are you saying here, bro? Sounds super serious. Thoughts on Saitama Realty? Is it a good time to buy? It looks like it's killing a zero and keep going good. I don't know. I'm not getting in on Saitama Realty for right now. I'm not touching it for right now. Ape's down to 12.7. Ibrahim says, don't miss out on Yacht Club Inu, the next gem. Can 100x. Are Apollo still alive? Oh, alive and well. Up 14%. Alive and well. Guys, hammer that like button. Let's get up over 300 people in the stream. Guys, we're doing a big giveaway too at the end of the stream. So let's push this out there so more and more people can understand that they too have a chance to win $500 in Ethereum. We need this thing to get up to 1,000 retweets by the end of the stream. What do you think? I think it can happen. I think it can happen. So we're going to give away 500 at the end of this stream. So definitely hang in there for that. We'll do it right before I got to skate and bounce over into our Discord chat. Coming up at 10:30 a.m. Eastern too on the Discord chat. So, but yeah, Apollo is nowhere near from being dead. I mean, this thing is alive and well. Look at that chart. Is Shibtoro one I should consider jumping into? Pat, I mean, it's totally up to you, but I've been very adamant about where I stand on Shibtoro. Yesterday was their last day with zero buy tax. They've got NFTs ahead of schedule. The flexonomics approach is working. I'm very bullish on Shibtoro. Shibtoro, Wagmi, and Apollo, those three in particular, Those are my big plays right now for 2022. 2022. Those are my big plays right now, where I'm really looking for some big gains on all three of them. Wagmi, Apollo, Shibtoro. I've got a nice position in all three of them. I'm in the green. So, I took profits early on when Apollo had its first big move. Okay. I took profits right during this zone. Okay. But have not really taken profits since, because I don't think we're anywhere near where we're going to go once this Dow comes out. But I did take profits on this initial big pop. Okay. And I did it very, very slowly. I didn't do it in like one big boom, 10 ETH sell. I waited for, buys and then slowly drip the profits. That's how I played it. Okay. But now I'm kind of just, strap it down with Apollo. Metagochi.app. Check out the race to 10K holders giveaway. Thank you, Donkey Dixon. Appreciate this. Appreciate the $14 Canadian donation, man. Big things happening in the first week of April. Hatching event date will be announced soon as well. New white paper coming in addition to that. So thank you so much, Dixon. Appreciate that. Zach, if you look under pink sale tab on BTFA main page, it tells you time left on presale and minimum ETH. Gotcha. Okay. So up here, pink sale. Okay, gotcha. Here it is. Thank you for that, Tony. Appreciate it. So we've got a new launch, guys. Banana Task Force Ape presale. So it's a collection of 10,000 deflationary apes, over 250 unique traits. Native token will be bridging the gap between Web3 and real-time ownership. Token decimals is going to come out with 9. Here's your token address. Tokens for presale, 150 billion. One quad total supply. Presale rate. This is what you're going to get in the presale. 1 ETH, 3.7 trillion or billion. Initial market cap is estimated to be right around $700. Liquidity percent, 70%. 365 days after pool ends. Here's your token metrics. What's allocated for what. So there you go. Pre-sale starts in 1 day, 2 hours. Here we go. 1 day, 2 hours, 6 minutes, and 54 seconds. Minimum buy is 0.1. Maximum is only 0.5 on this one. So what are you guys thinking? Are you going max? I got to write this down. This might be a nice opportunity. There's a lot of money to be had right now in pre-sales, but you got to take profits. I mean, or else you don't win any of this stuff, right? BTFA pre-sale. Let me write this down because I don't want to forget. This is a good opportunity coming up tomorrow. 1 day, 2 hours away. So what is that? If it's 2 hours from now, it's about noon. So yeah, it's noon tomorrow, 12 p.m. Eastern. Pre-sale opens up 12 p.m. Eastern on 4/4. 4/4. Man, I am so pumped to go out to Bitcoin Miami coming up on Tuesday night. I'm flying out, so very, very excited for that. I know I just said that randomly out of nowhere, but let's see. Any news leaks for BC 2022? I don't have any news leaks per se, but I'm going to be out there for sure, bringing you any news that we get. But they're expecting this to be the largest Bitcoin conference ever out here in Miami. So really looking forward to it. Oh, we're live on the app. I got to get the app. I got to get this app. If you experience issues trying to search for the app, you can follow these direct links here. Bang. I got to get the app because that'll give you your schedule and everything. Largest Bitcoin conference in history starts on Wednesday, guys. Nearly 400 speakers have been announced. They're excited to bring the brightest minds to the space, to Miami, to talk about Bitcoin and crypto. Man, I am so pumped to be out there in Miami for this one. Really looking forward to it. So a lot of big influential people are going to be out there. I did not get a whale pass. It's expensive. I mean, look how much the whale passes are. This is kind of crazy. So you could just get the Sound Money pass if you just want to come, for the music. Pay with Bitcoin only $99. You got the GA here for $800 when you pay with Bitcoin. I went with the industry pass, which it's a lot. $1,700. I think I got mine for $1,500 because I got in about a month ago. Paid with Bitcoin, saved about 34%, 35%, something like that. Look at the whale pass though. 21 grand if you're paying with dollars for fiat. 15,000 if you're paying with Bitcoin. I didn't get the whale pass, but the industry pass looks pretty good. I mean, you get all the access you need. Industry Day is going to be a big one. I'm going to be out there collaborating and networking and learning, as they say right here, and bringing you up to speed on what's going on. So where do I buy Shibtoro, Wagmi, and all the meme coins? Can someone help me, please? Uniswap is where I get most of mine. All three of these can be had on Uniswap. Apollo, Wagmi, Shibtoro, pretty much all these. Volt, Rise. Rise you can get, and Volt on Binance side too. And Wagmi too. Mandox. Yeah, all these pretty much, Uniswap for me. Let's refresh this real quick. Man, Wagmi's continuing to move, isn't it? Up to 8.8, guys. Look at that. It actually went all the way up to, looks like 9.7, 9.6, 9.7 on the pump. It's looking really strong, though. What's up, Liddy? How we doing, man? Can't wait for the event in Miami. Me either, brother. Me either, man. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Yeah, Wagmi is on ETH and Binance Smart Chain as well. Yeah. Morning, Neville. How we doing, man? Are you missing out on Para? It's a big one. I've heard of it, but I have not got into it. Volt's migration. I don't think it'll be great. It'll be good for Volt. Good morning, QC. Thanks for bringing so many positive vibes to the stream, man. Nonsense prediction again from Zach. Okay. Yeah. We're just looking at three big winners: Apollo, Wagmi, and Shibtoro. So that's what we bring here on the channel, winners. Raquel, thank you so much for the $5 donation. Got to go. I'll catch up on your vids tonight. Hope everyone has a great day. Jinza Z2. Nice. I've got a small bag of Volt too, Neville. I had 3 bill Shib, 2, dumped them in October. Hey, man, that's great, Drone. You made a nice profit. It's so smart for people to accept Bitcoin as payment. You lower the price of the product you sell and will ultimately make more in the future. Yeah, agreed. And I'm guessing a lot of people paid for the Bitcoin conference using Bitcoin. Like, obviously, right? Like they're going to a Bitcoin conference. So here's some pictures from previous events. Look at that. I'm pumped. There's FTX. There's that's kind of what we're going to expect here. There's a little lounge area. Oh man, I'm fired up. I'm going to bring you content, guys. I got this new, look at this guy. I got this, if we need a little tripod, we've got that. But then, got a little selfie stick. We're going to be out there streaming, maybe mini lives or something like that. Hopefully I get to walk past Elon and just be like, yo, what's going on? What's happening? Pull him off for like 2 minutes. How cool would that be? I think he's going to be there. I'm guessing. Let's see. Cool. And Chris, what's happening, man? Good morning to you. Kidding, Zach. Got your attention. Oh, man. One more, Zach. What's your take on ApeCoin? Really like it. It's a long-term play for me. ApeCoin is a long-term play for me. I think their play-to-earn game is going to be sick. And they just have a huge network of people who can push this out, right? I degened in on Apollo. We will see. I love it, man. Hopefully you degened in before it had this little pop, because I was talking about it when it was down here in the 7s. I think the mid-7s right now, because look, I mean, you guys can see it right here. It's bounced off. What is this? About 7.3. It's bounced off that back here in March. And then here again, it's bouncing off that 7.4, 7.5. Right in that like mid-7s, low to mid-7 range. This was a really good opportunity. It actually dumped down when Saitama was pumping it down. It dumped down. We were live on stream when it happened, dumped down to 6.6, and then quickly people bought up the dip. But I think mid sevens right now is a great entry point. Not financial advice, but hammer that like button and subscribe if you like what I'm saying. But yeah, that's where I'd be looking if I were, trying to get in and open a position. Let's see. Shibtoro will surpass. I will surpass which one? Oh, Shinja. Gala Games, yeah. Gala Games, yeah. That was them in the image, huh? That was them in the image, right here. Yep. No, that's actually Stable House. I thought that was Gala's logo. 6K global industry leaders, 80 plus speakers, 4K companies. Yeah, I'm fired up. Mr. Wonderful, there he is. He's going to be speaking. He's going to be a keynote there. So, a lot of people calling for Bitcoin to hit 50K. A lot of people calling for it to hit 50K. Guys, I mentioned this at the top, but we've got a 10:30 a.m. Eastern hangout session over in our Discord. So there's still time to join up with us. This is kind of what we bring to you in the Discord. So let me run through this a little bit. We've got moderator chat that's for our mods and myself. But underneath here, look at this: Saitama ecosystem, Bitcoin, whatever you want to talk about, we got you covered. Shiba Inu, and if it's not here, just let me know and I'll add a channel in here, or one of the mods will. Here's all the Ethereum assets that we talk about, whether it's Alchemy Pay, AMP, ApeCoin, Apollo, Audius, Cartesi, Seller, CHZ, Koti. We got Shibnobi on here, Shibtoro, Terrareum. How about on the Binance side? We're talking Baby Doge, we're talking SafeMoon, we're talking Zelda. Got all different kind of stuff. Zay's Corner, he's always got new plays for you, new picks, new altcoins. We're always talking about new launches. Alt chains, we've got you covered here. Solana, Cardano, Polkadot, VeChain, XRP. Whatever you want to talk about. You want to talk about NFTs? Gotcha. NFT gaming, NFT assets, knowledge-based crypto. You want to talk about mining, security, developers, reviews, taking profits. We got you. We got degen moves too. We got a degen move here. Crypto general, DeFi, think tank, staking. And then we got fiat channels too down here. We got Tesla, Nostalgia, stocks. So great place to be. Great place to hang out. Over 1,000 people in here. I'm learning a ton. That's the greatest thing. You just build out a network of people, right? You can just rely on. So yeah, big story of the day, guys. Wagmi just exploded throughout the night. I don't know if you guys saw the cinematic trailer yet, but it is sick. Very, very awesome. Game coming out. In game NFTs, it says you will be able to mint all in-game assets before the launch to the general public. So when you're getting in on these NFTs, it's not just a hold scenario and you got a JPEG. These are going to be utilized. You get a slice of the in-game marketplace revenue. When the game goes live to the general public, a fee will be assigned to every new in-game purchase. As the game becomes more popular, so will your payouts. So that fee is assigned, both network payouts. That fee is assigned to both networks, so you'll earn in both. $350 in-game assets by the end of 2022, they're expecting. So let me know if you guys got any Genesis NFTs. I got one, so I'm thinking about maybe getting a couple more. What do you guys think? Tower defense game, that's what it is, guys. Similar to the global phenomenon Clash Royale, right? Set for release in mid-April. So we are right around the corner. Maybe that's why we're seeing the big price action right now, up 33%. Sherry says the BTFA devs are not doxxed. I totally hear you. So if I were to get in this, and this starts in a day, 12 p.m. Eastern tomorrow, if I were to get in this, Sherry, I would very right at launch after getting in the presale. And by the way, max presale is not crazy. It's 0.5 ETH. Like and you could put 0.1 minimum. But basically how I would be playing this, I'd be getting my initial and 20% profits out pretty much ASAP. Best time, Pat, late at night or early in the morning. Yeah. I did take a look at the zombie Inu NFTs. They were sweet. They're just they're a little pricey though. They're a little expensive. They're a little too rich for my blood, I thought. I mean, but everybody got to do what they got to do, and they have a different philosophy, so I get it. Thoughts about Cooper leaving Shib. So yeah, let's talk about that real quick. Stephen Cooper put out a series of tweets. Okay, CEO of Bigger Entertainment, creator for Crypto Burner campaigns. Let's see. Where were the long tweets that he put out? It was on April 1st, wasn't it? Are they not here anymore? Did he delete them? Wait. I just read these. He must have deleted them. Yeah, the tweet was deleted. The tweet was deleted. Yeah, he was getting a lot of shit thrown his way. This guy, I mean, come on, man. These people are just ridiculous. But this is what he was talking about. I guess he deleted the tweet. Due to recent developments, we've decided to end our SHIB campaign. We've exited holdings and will be removing related assets. We'll burn pending burns tonight. We're content knowing we inspired many burn initiatives that will live on. Thank you to the community, not April Fools. So a lot of people asking about this. This tweet was then deleted, probably because he was just receiving so many freaking ridiculous messages back. So he did delete that tweet. There was actually a series of a couple different tweets, but basically that was the gist of it. I don't have a real strong opinion on it, guys. I brought Steven on. I thought what he was doing was really good for the community. From the seat that I sit in, I thought he was doing good. Okay, or else I wouldn't bring him on the channel, right? I don't think it was an April Fool's joke. I think he just deleted it. Yeah, I'm not selling my SHIB. I mean, this isn't going to make a decision. I'm not going to make a rash or irrational decision based off this, but BTFA, all utilities will be up and running at launch. Check out their dashboard. Yeah, we've been talking about it a little bit. BTFA pre-sale coming up, guys, tomorrow. I'll probably jump in here, ape in here, right? Pun intended. Banana Task Force Ape. We'll see what happens. I mean, it's going to be a complete degen play for me. Buying more SHIB. There you go. Apollo Inu will explode by the end of this month. Yeah, well, you know what? It's right around the corner, right? The Dow is coming. It's right around the corner. Any big news today? Let's see. Where's the crypto fear and greed at today? I think we've been in that neutral range for a little while. Yeah, that's where we're at. 48 neutral. Yesterday we're at 52, so that's good. I mean, a lot better than extreme fear. I mean, look how long we were down here. I mean, go out to the 3-month even. We had a little bit of a resurgence here on March 1st, but look at that down here in January. We were down at 11 and 12 on the crypto fear and greed index, man. Man, we got hammered. Down here on the 8th, we were at 10. So back up to 50. If you go out to the 1 year, look at this. Look at the big pops in October, man. That was extreme greed. And in August, and even back here in May, yeah. April and May. So you think we're heading back up there? What do you guys think? If we go out to max, that's what it looks like. This is back in 2019. Look how greedy we were. This is June 2019. December 2020, extremely greedy. In February. Yep. What do I think about Kong Tama? I have not looked at that chart in a while. Came out right after Boba Tama. Boba Tama has gotten blasted. It's unfortunate. I really like what they're building. If they're actually building it, that's the thing we always, Kong Tama. We don't know, right? As an investor, we don't know. I mean, people say they can do things, but you don't know. This looks like the Boba Tama chart. It's gotten drilled. Yeah, I didn't get into Kong Tama. A lot of people made money on Boba, though. A lot of people made money on the way up. I mean, and that's, again, when you see like multiple days like this of green candlesticks, take your damn profits. Take your damn profits. Shiba's never been at 7 cents. No. I don't get that. Why wouldn't anyone give home crap over burning Shib? Give him crap over burning Shib? Yeah, I don't know. People were saying that he wasn't doing it the right way, and he was actually siphoning money, and he wasn't burning Shib. And I mean, he was running a business. I mean, obviously, he was making money doing it too, and he was burning Shib. Like, we have proof he was burning Shib, right? So I don't know. I think personally, I think a lot of it was unwarranted, and people just love to point the finger at somebody, especially someone who's influential and. I've not covered that, Cornish. Where's the holders on bulbs going up or down? It's a good question. Holders right now, 2507. I don't know where they were, a week ago, though. That's what I don't know. But right now, just over 2,500. Market cap still at 3.2 million. Terrarium, they've got some big things coming too. They're struggling a little bit right now, but they're finding that kind of floor right now. Look at that. See that consolidation happening? They're finding that range, that 3.7 range right now. So now Boba didn't rug, Sven. It just dumped. Just dumped. I mean, it's been dumping, right? But this was a big red candlestick here. But, a lot of projects do this. That's why you got to get in and get out. Obviously some are different than others, right? But for most of these new projects, you at least, in my opinion, have to get in, get out your initial and a little bit of profits, and then you're cooking with fire. Then you're okay. Yeah, I think so too, right, Sherry? Yeah, we'd all be millionaires if SHIB was that high, right? Everrise has had some interesting news come out too. Their chart, very, very consistent, very flat. Okay, you can see there's Everrise. Came out back in November. Guys, Everrise is a top 600 crypto. Okay, this is not a moonshot type of crypto. This is a household name. This is a long-term hold for me. I put 10K in my own money into Everrise, straight up, and it's worth like 11.6 right now. I'm cool with that. It's a long-term hold for me. I genuinely think that 10 grand can get to 100, and I think we can have a top 100 crypto. That's how I view Everrise. Their V3 contract address now available, by the way, 20 hours ago. White paper now available too. There is the contract address for all chains. So they were very excited about the V3. I know Jen, their marketing director. Let me see if I can find her. Here she is. She said, congratulations to the entire Everrise community, mods, and team. V3 is a game changer. It's here. NFT stakes are also here. I'm going to talk about that here in a minute. Bridge for NFT stakes is now open with temporary bridging fee of 1 Rise until V3 goes live. So look at how they're doing staking. It's really cool. Let me go back over here. So check this out. They actually retweeted this. NFT stakes by Everrise. Great idea and very unique. Definitely, dude. Check this out. Let me drop Sherry's comment down so you can see that better. So essentially now when you stake Everrise, you actually get an NFT. Okay, so here's your NFT stake generation, the date the NFT stake was minted, time NFT staked was minted. You could trade these too on the blockchain. Staking term, current staked amount. Okay, so here's an example. 460,000 Rise for 35 months. Achievement NFT claim status. Collection. Blockchain and blockchain NFT ID number. So essentially, you get this NFT when you decide to stake Everrise now. Really cool. Like the idea here. They're really excited about this too. Um, I might have to just go ahead and stake my Rise because it's a long-term hold for me. I might just go ahead and stake what I have and, show you guys what this looks like. Just want to hear you say my name again. Have a great day. Donkey Dixon. Thank you so much for the donation, bro. Seifu Ape. I've heard about this one. What's it doing? Let's see it on the charts. But yeah, Everrise, guys, long-term hold for me. I think it has the potential to be a top 100 crypto. Excited as hell to partner with them. It's been a little while now, a couple months ago. All right, there's Seifu Ape. Not a bad looking chart. Yeah, Naraka token. I had the same issue, Yen. They blacklisted wallets or essentially made it a honeypot, dude. It's bullshit. Absolute bullshit. Holding Spell bought 100K Spell on 0.004. It's a good project. Let's see. Can I have my 500 in ETH now? Lucas talking about the giveaway. All right, guys, we're getting very close to doing the giveaway because I got to bounce off here in 15 minutes, and we're heading over to our Discord community to have a conversation over there. So if you want to join that, Patreon link down below in the description. I Trust Capital's down there too if you want to start up your crypto IRA. But yeah, we're going to have a big, nice conversation over there. We're going to do a lot more Discord AMAs and just talk shop, talk money, talk crypto. Look at Motown Dave's already in there ready to rock and roll in the Classroom Voice. So we'll be in the Classroom Voice here in about 15 minutes, less than 15 minutes now. Just, hanging out and talking crypto. So come over and join us. I like Bone. I need to acquire more of it. I do hold H-Bar as well, Mark. I like it. I've got about $1,200 worth of H-Bar. It's up a little bit. I bought it back in 2021. Yeah, I sent you a screenshot. Yeah, I found it, Dollar Store. I found it. Yeah, we saw it. Let me see here. You probably screenshotted it here. Did you tweet at it? Here's another part of it. Yeah. So after the Wellies deal, we participated in a private Discord call with some of the SHIB team. Information was shared in that call that was concerning to us. We recorded the call, replayed it over and over, and thought it was best in the end to disassociate ourselves. We don't expect others to follow. What seems concerning to us will be considered speculation to others. It was also info that's meant to be private. We have no interest in dragging anyone through the dirt, nor do we want the drama from it. We are simply bowing out based on conversations we were having. We are a company, and it just doesn't align with what we want to build. That was part of Stephen Cooper's response, and people obviously flamed him for it. The tweets have been now deleted. Listen, I wish Stephen nothing but the best. I've had a couple good conversations with him. I don't know the whole story that he is talking about there, but listen, man, I like Stephen. I still like Shib, so you got to just move on. I think. I mean, as an investor, I don't think this should sway your opinion one way or another. Dogecoin's climbing? Is it? Is it really? People say that, and then it's like, it's up like 2%. Let's see. Doge is moving though a little bit. Yeah. Let's see. 24 hours. Biggest mover, XEC. There's Doge. Probably one of the biggest movers in the hour. Yeah. 1.7 in the hour. What's up with Dogelon Mars? You're the best crypto channel on YouTube. Thanks, Javi. Appreciate it, man. Dogelon Mars. Let's take a look at that real quick, guys. And then we are going to Elon. Then we're going to do our giveaway. Guys, check out the tweet that is pinned on my profile. If you're not yet in the giveaway, get ready. We're about to give away $500 in Ethereum. Elon, still at the 10. Okay, we're still pretty much trading sideways after the big pop. That's what we're going to see here on this chart. There it is. We had the big pop, and now we're trading sideways. So I still, I'm liking where Elon's at. Obviously, it has a, long way to go to get back to all-time highs here. Still has to essentially double up from here. But this thing can go on a run in a hurry. So, Javi, I'm still holding my Elon. Thank you so much for the $20 donation, man. Appreciate that. Ginger Snap, what's up? Thank you so much for the stream. Really appreciate it. Much love and respect. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you, Ginger. Or I'm not sure if you're a gentleman or a lady. Saitama still holding the bag. Where is Saitama? Let's look at that real quick. A lot of people still holding the Saitama bag. For all those people, I want this thing to come back, man. But that's why you take profits. We've talked about this many, many times. Getting ready to do a giveaway, guys. Make sure you hammer that like button, subscribe. We're at 11.43, down 6%. Yeah, I mean, it's just the same old story. Same old, same old. Nothing new to see here. It's unfortunate, guys. And I'll continue to talk about Saitama. I'll gladly still, and I'll put out good content when it's good and not so good content when it's not so good. I made a good Saitama video for all the people who only want to see good and just ignore all the FUD, ignore all the bad. FUD is real, by the way. But, you know, we use this term so loosely now that, you know, oh, you're just a fudder. Like, okay. But, yeah, we had some good news with the OKX listing, but it hasn't really materialized into anything. Okay. What your pre-8? What's left for Shib? Sold all my Saitama. Okay, guys, let's rock and roll with this giveaway. I've got 9 minutes before my Discord community. We all get together here on a Sunday morning. So here's the tweet. Here's the tweet. Make sure you guys do this. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Follow me here on Twitter. Like and retweet this. And you're going to want to stay locked for a lot more giveaways coming up in the future as well. So we're going to do a lot more of these coming up. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. Hopefully you're enjoying the stream this morning. We do this every Monday through Friday, right around this time. Sometimes on the weekend if I'm up and at it. And this morning I was. So let's do it. That's it, Sherry. I mean, that's just what it is, right? I heard. Yeah, me too, Boca. Me too. Yeah, smash that like button, guys. Let's do this giveaway. Let's pull up our Twitter giveaway, and then I will confirm that they are doing all the other things too when I DM this person, whoever is the winner. So everybody, get ready. Twitter giveaway comment picker. Whoops. What was it? I think this is the one I used the other day. No, it isn't. I think it's this one. Yep, it's this one. All right, we don't have profiles. They don't have to have description or any of this stuff. Let me put the tweet in here. Let me bring this down here. Pop this open. Here's the URL. All right, guys, just a couple minutes away from doing the giveaway here. All right, load it. We're going with one winner. Here we go. Are you ready? Drum roll, please. Actually, here, wait. Let's do Liddy's beat here to close out the stream. What do you think? The one he sent and made for me. I got to make this part of the channel. I don't like the intro. I know it sucks. It's not great. Let's see. Liddy's beats though. Liddy's beats are pretty sick though. This thing's nice that he made for me here. All right. All right, guys, getting ready to do the giveaway. Here we go. You guys ready? $742 entries loaded up. Could it be Mr. Liddy himself? All right, guys. We're going to draw. There he is. Ready for the draw? All right. 3, 2, 1. $500 in Ethereum. Going out to Cryptologic. Cryptologic, you are the winner, my friend. I am following you back. There's that. He did that. Cryptologic, I'm shooting you a message. you just won 500 in ETH. Congrats. And thank you for all the support. Please send me screenshots of all requirements and follow up with the address that you want me to send this ETH to. Happy Sunday. There we go. Many more giveaways to come, guys, but giveaway winner, Crypto Logic. If for some reason Crypto Logic cannot, come through, we'll do it again. But I'm pretty sure Crypto Logic is locked into the channel, subscribed. After he sends me some screenshots, 500 ETH going his way. So that is awesome to see. That is what we're doing here on the channel. We're helping change lives, getting into crypto early. That's what we've all done here. And much success still coming our way in crypto, in this market. So crypto might be getting ready to explode here on the heels of a big week. Big week. Bitcoin Miami coming up. I'll be out there bringing you content. Might even have a live stream with Liddy, actually. If not a live stream, we're definitely going to hang out and do a video. So looking forward to meeting Liddy out there. Make sure you guys subscribe to his channel, provide an awesome technical analysis. Yes, Crypto Logic. Make sure you're following. Is he following a different one? It looks like he's following the right one. I think we're good. So Crypto Logic, I'll be waiting for your message. Congratulations to you. Congratulations to all the winners last week as well. We'll be doing this a lot. $500 giveaway. Stay locked on the channel, guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. How high can Wagmi go? High. I'm loving Wagmi right now, guys. I'm loving it. Up 33%, Wagmi. We're going to close it out, guys, with that. Shibtoro up 14%. My top three all in the green today. Loving it. Wagmi up 32.5%. Hell yeah. Apollo up about 14% too. Hell yeah. 8.5 range. Loving that. Appreciate everybody popping in. I'm popping out. I got to jump into the Discord. If you want to come over and join us, Patreon link down below. We're going to go right into a longer conversation about crypto in the Discord over there. And yeah, let's get it moving over there. I'll see everybody over there. Anybody who's a member, heading to the Discord now. Thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't already. See y'all soon. Very soon. Oh, lost my breath there for a minute. See y'all soon. Cheers. Be back tomorrow, 9 a.m. live, but I'll have more videos coming out later today. See ya.